Farm unions intensify their ongoing agitation in several parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh on Monday by sitting on fasts and organizing demonstrations, triggering traffic snarls that lasted for several hours in some places, particularly paralyzing transport on NH8, the main link between Rajasthan and Delhi. In Punjab and Haryana, farmers held demonstrations and gherao at the offices of Deputy Commissioner and district headquarters, with a large number of protesters turning up in tractor trolleys. In Rajasthan, most of the state road-based buses as well as trucks bound for Delhi, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, and even some parts of Uttar Pradesh remained stranded for the second consecutive day. Cabs and private bus operators also did not operate the vehicles to Delhi. In Haryana's Jind, women and members of CUPs and social organizations turned up for a rally of around 1,000 vehicles that was taken out to lay siege to the DC's office. In Hisar, Fatehabad and Sirsa, a large number of farmers, including women, sat on hunger strike outside the DC offices. In Karnal, farmers along with members of the opposition Congress and INLD took out a protest march. In Madhya Pradesh, protests were held at several places amid rain and fog, expressing solidarity with the farmers at the Delhi borders. In Uttar Pradesh, farmers' organizations took out protest marches in several districts across the state. At all places, farmers gave memorandums addressed to the PM, demanding the repeal of the three central laws.